Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need admin access and your terminal or store profile numbers before you begin. Once signed in, navigate directly to settings so you can make the change. This avoids pilot errors later. Make sure you scheduled a low-traffic window and saved a configuration backup in case you revert. You'll use the portal's payment or hardware section. Do not change unrelated items. This early setup prevents service disruption and gives you a clear rollback path if the QR toggle affects other features. Once in settings, go to Payment Methods or Hardware Controls where Mobile Payment and QR options live. You'll see a QR code or Customer Display toggle. Turn it off for the individual terminal or choose the profile-wide option if available. Make sure to save or apply changes and confirm the portal shows the updated status. If you manage multiple terminals, repeat or use the batch apply feature. This step disables the QR generation, so customers will no longer see that payment option. After applying the change, push a remote configuration or restart the terminal and perform a test transaction to confirm the QR is gone. Verify both the device display and the Converge portal status. Logs will show if the update propagated. If payment flow breaks, re-enable the feature quickly to restore service, then examine error messages. If problems persist, contact Converge support with your merchant ID, terminal ID, and screenshots so they can trace propagation or configuration conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.